Ready for round two? Let's get straight to it. Here are 5 more game-changing moves to make them seriously regret losing you, fast. First, protect your peace at all costs. No matter how much they try to stir the pot, stay calm and unbothered. That kind of composure is powerful. Second, upgrade your circle. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. When they see you thriving with a strong support system, they'll realize they're missing out on something amazing. Third, let your accomplishments speak for themselves. Whether it's a promotion, a personal milestone, or finally checking off that big goal, show the world you're leveling up. No need to brag, just let success do the talking. Fourth, keep some things private. Stop oversharing on social media. Give them small glimpses of your life, but hold back just enough to keep them guessing. Curiosity is a powerful tool. Finally, don't be instantly available. If they reach out, respond on your terms. Show them your time is valuable. That shift in accessibility drives home the fact that you're moving forward on your own path. That's it. 5 ways to remind them they lost a real one. Remember, this isn't about pettiness or revenge. It's about knowing your worth, focusing on your growth, and letting them see what they let slip away.